In today's video, I'm going to teach you drawing detail lines. We'll walk through how to place clean, precise 2D graphics in your project so your drawings communicate clearly without affecting your model. First, head to the Annotate tab and choose the Detail Line tool. This is your gateway to adding line work that lives only in the view you're working in. Think of detail lines as drafting strokes layered on top of your model. They're perfect for hatches, break marks, small call-outs, or embellishing a section or plan where modeling every little element isn't necessary. With the tool active, look to the type selector at the top of your interface and pick a line style that matches your intent. You'll see options like thin, medium, heavy, hidden, or centerline, depending on your project standards. The style controls line weight, pattern, and color in print and on screen. If you're documenting something subtle, a lighter style helps it read without overpowering your view. For edges or cut graphics, a heavier style is often clearer. Don't worry if you're unsure at first. You can always select a line later and switch its style from the type selector. Now draw directly in the active view. Detail lines can be placed in plan, section, or detail views. Click to start and click to finish, or continue clicking to chain multiple segments. Watch the temporary dimensions and angle readouts as you move your cursor. They help you stay precise. Snaps will guide you to endpoints, midpoints, and intersections on existing geometry, making alignment easy and clean. If you place a segment you don't like, press undo and try again. When you're finished drawing, press escape to end the command. It's important to remember that detail lines are 2D only. They do not exist in 3D space and won't appear in any other view. A line you drew in a section will not show up in a plan, and vice versa. That's by design. Detail lines are meant for view-specific drafting. If you find yourself needing line work that appears across multiple views, that's a sign you may need a different tool. But for view-only embellishment, detail lines are the right choice. To keep your drawings readable, be consistent with line styles, and avoid clutter. Use thin lines for notes and guides, heavier lines to emphasize edges, and pattern styles to indicate hidden or center conditions. With these basics in place, you'll create crisp, professional annotations that complement your model beautifully.